Attention patient, due to software repair to another repair, the museum station. Next station will be museum station.
You know what he says, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
No, we were there already. I want to down that way just to go that way and try to go back again.
Yes.
But when it comes back the other way, like, it goes smooth.
Is this thing coming up?
This is the station coming up.
This is the underground one?
Yeah.
Like the below bay? Oh.
Yeah, the lower bay station is shut.
Yeah, we're coming up the lower bay. You can see it. We're not stopping here. This is where they film the movie.
But when it's going eastbound, it goes
see it
like,
better?
no, but we miss it completely, right? And you get off at museum.
Oh, cool, look at this.
But then,
Wow.
And they've actually got a set that can make Bay Station look like a New York City subway station.
Oh my God, isn't that neat? This is good. Wow. So slowly now.
This is where they do the movies.
Very nice. Yeah. Oh, I wish we could get out and look. I know. Look at this.
This is
you don't get to see this, eh? Right? You can see where they take the name off, put the name on. Should have brought my camera.
Once again, next station will be museum station. You can transfer from museum station to Kipling on the other side of the platform. This train will be out of service as the museum station.
Another ghost station.
This train will be out of service as museum station.
Isn't there another ghost station here on Street?
We gotta get off again.
yeah, we can't get off here because the dolphin is safety concerned.
Yeah.
It's like this, but it's bricked off the stairway.
Coming back,
You can see the Bloor Street, Bloor dance suburb is actually like the City Street.
Yeah, they changed it up here.
and then coming
And
back.
then good old Mel Astley got
But it didn't stop like that.
Yeah, this
No.
is great. Yeah, get a really good look.
Well, yeah, okay. Someday they'll build a condo there.
2,000 people instead of like this one. Hundreds of thousands.
Oh, yeah. Well, at the rate they're building condos, they can get built up.
Yeah. We should have a subway on Main Street. We should have one on it goes to the airport. Like that. We should have one on Shepherd. They should have one on either French or Still.
Yeah, that's right.
Our politicians
I'd love one
Trains
that
should be moving anytime soon.
on Queensway.
Yeah.
No, the Queen Street if they had one.
Because you could go Queensway all the way up to the airport. Go under the 427th.
Well, that's what Mississauga was hoping they would do.
Yeah, we got caught up at a red signal.
For the passes.
Well,
They don't want to put even
they're
in.
just glad that the NDP didn't get their subway thing put together. Because I think they were just equally like Eglinton. The Eglinton line they wanted to put in.
You know, that would be more practical than the Shepherd line.
Yeah, true.
Because at the west end of the Eglinton, you got the airport, right?
Yeah.
But at the end of Shepherd Avenue, where it stops at Western Road, there's the Humber River.
Oh,
I know. And the build at the subway over there is
to get it the rest of the way to Scarborough will be another $1 billion.
yeah. Well, and actually, it's more cost effective. Continuing Shepherd subway east.
Yeah.
West by line. Because going eastbound, it's all just underneath and big.
The train should be moving anytime soon now.
But going westbound at Western Road,
Oh, yeah.
we're at the very end of Western Road. There's a college there, right? They had to build south and north of that. I wouldn't care that time. But just on that, there's the Humber River.
Yeah, we are being held here because of a red light.
Bit of a drop too. But they built the 407 orders. I imagine they could do it with the subway too.
Oh, yeah. See, I don't see why they don't put the subways where the highways are. They would put them under. This all clear space. Forgive me. I think
Should be a politician.
no, they should go to up to 400 all the way up to there.
Well, we have the schematics for university course.
Train's going. Train's going.
Places like that. But you're right, though, they should.
They wanted to extend, what was it, 410 or 427 north?
Well, that's the 410 is being extended to, oh boy.
Actually, they should run that all the way up to Orangeville. People are just so much.
Oh, it will eventually.
Another red.
Yeah. Not in our lifetime.
Yeah.
Not in our lifetime. But the 427 is supposed to go up just west of Highway 27 up to Cookstown,
Right.
and then slowly go back towards 400 and merge with 400, just south of here.
Yeah.
And the 410, the right of way is there. I mean, they're in the process of building it up to it's about another 3 or 4 miles. I can't remember the name of the street. It'll come in. But they're being built now.
Well, we need $4 billion.
Well, I think when they built that second Bloor subway at State Street, I think back when they built it 35 years ago, they would have an additional $35 million. Now, they build it now.
Oh yeah.
They wouldn't do it now.
No.
They would probably cost half $1 billion.
Oh yeah.
Arriving.
Because that's very expensive right there. Having two stations on top of each other.
Oh yeah. Sure. Sure.
Look at all the buildings up above, you know? To support all that weight. But the
Yeah, this is museum.
subway station, the lower one.
Yeah.
We all have to get off here.
And the track's about 100 feet that way.
Creepy
That's
now.
it. That's all.
Because we went down, right?
But it's there in case they ever do.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you going to ride it
I can't see them ever saying it doesn't make sense unless they put a lot of other pieces in place.
No.
Never happens.
Because now you've got to go.
See, what I don't get is like cities like Tokyo, New York, London, they've got 10 times the subway we do. And through the track. We're afraid to spend money on stuff like that.
Well, you gotta remember, New York City.
Right at Museum,
Oh, yeah.
Museum Station. This train is our service now. All passengers required to leave the train.
The city
Cross the
itself.
other side platform, catch the train going to Kipling Station. All the way to Kipling. This will be our service. All passengers must leave the train. Thank you all.
Now this has been fun.
Okay, you're getting off now. Goodbye.